Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer, and on the display it's giving you an Ex31 error, and you're trying to figure out what this error is and so that you can get started around the process of getting it fixed. So first of all, what this is it's the humidity sensor that is failing, or it's sensing that there's a humidity sensor failure, which really means that you could have an issue with your humidity sensor, you could have an issue with your control board, or you can have an issue with the wiring between them. So what you want to do is you want to check your humidity sensor and then check the wiring that goes from that to the control board for anything that would be damaged, disconnected, loose, etc. and replace or repair that wiring as necessary. If that doesn't fix it, then you can go ahead and replace the humidity sensor. And if that doesn't fix it, the next thing to do would be just to replace the electronic control board. And if you do decide to go that route, I will go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial specifically for how to replace the control board on your dryer.